Blue looks good on the sky, looks good on that neon buzzing on the wall, but darling, it don't match your eye. I'm telling you, you don't need that guy. Oh, wrong video.
Technology. I am a sucker for marketing.
Looks good on the sky.
Alright guys, this Sunday shave is going to be a pretty quick one. In fact, all I'm really going to handle today is my neck. So I'm toying with whether or not to keep the beard on. Probably not, but you know, today I just don't feel like a full shave. But it gives me a great opportunity just to focus on the blade. And I saw this, and I'm a sucker for marketing, right? I saw this on the shelf. Now for quite a while, since my buddy B-Man got me into Schick razors, I found that the XTREME3 is just a choice razor, especially for a trip. You get the disposable version, and you throw these in your bag, and it provides a nice, clean, smooth, quick shave. But this is a new wrinkle. It's the pivot ball technology. So I figured I'd try that out quick. I'll use my old standby Gillette foam mousse, which provides a quick, also travel-oriented, quick lather, smooth, thin layer of protection between you and the blade. But I see something I already like. Now, typically, it's very difficult to get into these boxes, but the folks at Schick have provided these little tabs here for the unboxing. So you just lift up, and voila. So first, let's take a look at this. Okay, so it's a 3-bladed razor with some flex here, but the claim to fame with this new version is that pivoting head. Now take a look at that there. Lubrication strip up top. You got your rubber guide here. It's a thin rubber guide. Pivot action within the blade itself, or within this mechanism right here. Pretty neat looking design. All right, so my first pass is gonna be with the grain. Now the hair on my neck grows up this way, so my first pass will be flip the blade around and go up with the grain. Nice and smooth. Oh yeah. Look at that. XTREME3, guys, you can't get much smoother than this. Hear that? And also what makes this a good razor if you're doing like just eliminating hair on your neck, or you're trimming or edging, is the form factor. Look how slim that blade is, right? I use the foam as sort of the guide where I want to stop cutting. Now, if you're like me, you have a pronounced Adam's apple, guys. A couple of different techniques to not nick yourself up there. One technique would be to, let me see if I can show you better, pull the skin and get to that area. Another technique would be to swallow hard and hold it, which eliminates the Adam's apple or hides it. Nice quick first pass in the books. Let's do a second pass just to make sure I get any. I'll do 3 passes today just because I feel like it, and I'm only shaving the neck, so I'll make sure my neck is nice and smooth, guys. Second pass for me, cross-cut pass. Nice long cross stroke. Letting the blade do the work. This will help eliminate hairs that are not growing straight up this way. Again, following that imaginary line, or that line of foam. The pivot head here adjusts or to the contour of your face and neck, and it seems to be doing the trick. Don't force it on this cross-cut pass, guys. Just let the blade and the contour of your neck You know, you don't want to force the blade and get yourself nicked up. Let's go for the third and final pass, which is going to be against the grain, but already I'm feeling nice and smooth, like a baby's bottom. Third pass, I'm going to go against the grain. So if my hair grows this way, guess what? I'm going against the grain down. All right, so this is that final get right pass. Oop, don't want to cut into the beard. And you can hear the blade doing its work. Just getting any stray hairs, clusters of hairs that I may have missed. Again, swallow hard. Hold it. And that's it. Nice. Really, really impressed with the XTREME3. This pivot ball I find to be helpful as well, especially in the neck area here around the Adam's apple and the contours when you're doing that cross cut, you know, the cross grain shave. I'm going to give the XTREME3 with pivot ball technology, I'm going to give this a thumb plus plus. Average guy tested, average guy approved. See that? Extreme. Extreme with the nice X there. It's a nice looking razor. It's hefty. Throw this in your gym bag. Throw this in your travel bag. It's, yeah, it's great. Great shave. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Obviously, to my buddy B-Man for introducing me to the Schick lineup. I hope you guys have a great Sunday, and I'll see you next time, which will probably be like tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, remember,
Keep pushing!
play. Nice and smooth, like a baby's bottom.
Blue looks good on the sky. Looks good on that neon buzzing on the wall, but darling, it don't match your eye. I'm telling you, you don't need that guy. Oh, wrong video.